Hey everyone, and thank you so much for joining me today. My name is Jasmine, and for any of my returning subscribers, hello, nice to see you. For anyone who's new, this is Simple Happy Fulfilled, where me and my beloved partner Garrett post videos from everything to do with our day-to-day life here in the Rocky Mountains, guided meditations, I post yoga videos, cooking videos, and pretty much just anything that we feel like. So if that sounds interesting to you, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and turn on that little notification bell so you can get notified every time I make a video. With that being said, I'm really excited to be sharing this video. I'm going to keep this intro really short, but before I get into it, I just want to paint a little picture in your mind of how this came to be, because honestly, I was just left speechless and it was a very epic moment. So you're laying in bed, all cozy in your blankets, and you're thinking, nah, okay, I should probably get up now. So you're yawning and stretching, you roll over to check what time it is on your phone, you grab your phone, and you see something funky in your email, and you're like, what's that? Well, I woke up to a round-trip flight going to Costa Rica, and my babe surprised me with a trip joining him on this epic adventure going to a festival called Envision, which is this crazy festival that's so diverse. I've never been to anything like it. Tons of immersive workshops, very diverse in its music, a lot of bass music, but there was just so much variety and it was unlike anything I've ever been to before. So he had taken me along with him and surprised me with this trip, and honestly I was just like left speechless because I need to say no more, obviously. But with that being said, I had put together some clips and I wanted to share our adventures with you. So with that being said, this is our experience in Costa Rica in February, late February, because we literally just got this trip right before COVID happened. When we came home a week after, everything had hit and shut down. So, I mean, angels were on our side. With that being said, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I hope that I can inspire you to go to something like this one day if the world goes back to normal. But it was a really great time, so I hope you guys enjoy.
Good morning. Guess where we go? Oh,
We going to Costa Rica. Shit.
oh my God, today is the day. We woke up a little later than anticipated, and that's okay. These things happen. We've got a couple errands to run, and then we are headed to the airport. Ta-da! Update. It is 12:43 p.m. February 19th, and we made it. We're in San Jose, Costa Rica. We are at the cutest little Airbnb. We got here at night, so we have no idea what it looks like. So tomorrow is going to be really exciting. Good morning. I obviously already woke up. Still coming out of a dream state, but check this out. Sleepy start to the day, but it's okay. We've got a 3.5 hour shuttle I can sleep on. Ow, ow! We made it again.
We're on the bus. We just keep making it.
Appreciate this head count number I was given. Ayo.
Welcome to Envision 2020!
Ah.
You're here. AC shuttle to our campground. Yes, please.
Oh shit. Look at these fancy things. Look at that. What's that say? I'm VIP.
A cold towel waiting in line.
What? Also got some.
Rainforest Lab.
And what we got here?
Mango and banana. We got golden berry apple, cacao nibs, and some ocean breeze.
Oh, yes. Yes, 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 yes.
It's actually pretty comfy.
Oh yeah, it's like memory foam.
Yeah.
Oh.
This ain't bad.
No.
Lux Light.
Time to go in the ocean.
Check out these melons, eh? These are good ones. Yeah. I'm in Costa Rica. I got my melons. Does zero justice.
Perks to being in VIP and having happy hour. Snacks?
It's like a fancy dinner party in the jungle. This is so sick.
Chilling in the hammock under some palm trees.
Look at this cutie in the hammock over here. Dang.
Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. And the magic number 3. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yes, this is a jackfruit burger. We've never had one of those before.
Native fruits in Costa Rica.
Like straight up fresh jackfruit, not in the can. Oh man, it's falling everywhere. That is definitely a gluten-free bun.
We're not sure if that's a good thing or a bad thing yet.
Good for my digestion, not yummy for the mouth.
Jelly smothered on big old platter of flapjacks. That's what we got here.
Down again. Close your eyes. Peace to your mind, peace to your body, peace surrounding your soul.
And as you remember that love, you can trust the people around you are also loved. And so it takes some of the pressure off. Start to move a little bit more through your arms. You can make some circles with your elbows. But like really slow. You know, there's a lot of like high, fast energy. So just feel any of that and see what it feels like to slow it down. And maybe there's an energy that you can feel somewhere in your body that you can let your physical body follow.
Smart grid, it's also
Envision leaves him, he doesn't leave Envision.